Well, so a friend of mine wanted me to do a little video on my new radio, which is over here. Well, new to me, Kenwood TS-990. It's a big box of a radio, about 60 pounds, dual receiver, 200 watt. It came out in 2012, but it's an all analog receiver with IFDSP. And it's not no SDR technology like the FTDX 101 or the Kenwood TS-890, which is basically a slightly smaller but more modern version of the 990. But it's a great radio, and I really enjoy using it. So here's a bit of the station using a RE20 microphone, which then goes into my mic preamp into the doorband. Multiband processor from there into the EQ2496 for some EQing, some downward expansion for noise gating, into a transformer and attenuator made by Gold Maximo, which then feeds into the mic input, and the radio sounds amazing on air. Usually feed it into the RF kit amplifier, but I also have this OM up here, which I can, with flip of a switch, I switch over here, I can switch between amplifiers. I had the switch originally on top of my 101MP up here, but it doesn't fit there anymore because, well, it's a big radio. But you know what? It looks proper in there. I do like that. So, first thing you have to do is you have to print out the manuals, and boy, do they have manuals. So you have the factory service manual, which is wonderful. I printed out in this nice glossy 30-pound paper on a color laser jet, and has all the calibration and circuit descriptions for all the boards and alignment procedures and parts lists and exploded diagrams and all kinds of cool stuff. I also went through the trouble. One second here. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I did all the fold outs in 11x17 and folded every one of them. There's a lot of them. So have a full service manual, which is nice. And of course we have the instruction manual, which has a nice three-ring binder for the manual. So the instruction manual is very comprehensive. But the cool thing about Kenwood is they not only have a great operating manual, they also I'm trying to get to the end of it here, they also came out with what's called the in-depth manual. Here we go. Here's the in-depth manual, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's an operating system, but more technical. So it includes all sorts of information on circuit design, theory of operation, design philosophy, and they get a lot more in depth of all the features and functions, which is a lot of fun to read. If you're a technical person, it is a fantastic book. So of course I printed all this out, including all the other various books and manuals they had for the radio. So I have it all. And as you can see, of course, on the band scope right now, I'm fighting a noise issue on a power pole, which really sucks. But the noise blanker on this thing's amazing. So at least I can use it in the meantime until we get that fixed. I'll have to suffer with a high noise level, but oh well. My old Yaesu FTDX 101 sitting over here in a box. It's sold, waiting for the check to arrive, and maybe I'll pick up an 890 as a backup 12-volt radio to go with the 990. All right, well, there's a new addition to the shack. Catch you later.